If the length of a rectangle is increased by 30% and the width of the same rectangle is decreased by 30%, what is the effect on the area of the rectangle? Now, this is a question towards the end of the section, which means it's not as easy as it seems. If it's at the beginning of the section, it's going to be easy. If it's at the end of the section, it's going to be a harder question. So as much as it seems like that we're getting one side smaller and the other side bigger by the same percentage, that it should remain unchanged, that's not the answer. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our rectangle, and we're going to have it 10 by 10. So it has an area of 100. 100 is always a good number when you're working with percents. So we have 10 and 10. So our new rectangle is we're going to take the length and increase it by 30%. What you would do is take 10 and multiply it by 0.30, because what I'm doing is taking 30% to change it into a decimal, and what that will get me is 3. So 10 plus 3 gets me my length is now 13. Now if I do the width, the same rectangle is decreased by 30%. 30% of 10 is 3, so that would be 10 minus 3, which would be 7. All right, so we're going to do 13 times 7, which is 91. Now because this is 100 and this is 91, we have decreased by 9%. That's the little trick because we're using 110s.